a shower.
A few moments later. Now we are heading back to the hotel to get our stuff. We'll check out and then go to Vinod's house to have lunch, and then we'll go to Maltal. And we're going that way out. Okay, now so we are leaving towards Vinod's house to have lunch. We have lunch and we'll go towards Kumaltal. Let's go. This is the hotel, Eden Jungle Hotel. That's the rooms. There is cottage and you have AC room over there, so people will come. That's the hotel AC rooms over there if you want to stay. This is the reception. Lunch has arrived, chicken and pork. And we are going to have lunch now. Buffalo and chicken mix. Bon appetit.
This is marking. Marking of Prasan Sreshta. He's asleep over here. And this.
And once again for the third time, he didn't come and pick me up nor help me.
Because I didn't see him where he was. Across this bridge, suspension bridge.
Okay, it's like almost 4:30 and it's pretty hazy and foggy. I didn't take any good photos, but Burathogi hid his daughter with fish photo. He didn't show me, he didn't let me take any photo, but tonight when he's sleeping, I'll delete it. I swear I'll delete it when he's sleeping. So we'll stay for maybe 10-15 more minutes, 10-15 minutes more minutes, and we'll go. Okay? And this will be the
A few moments later.
okay. So before we get back,
We
just
had a great surprise. That's
Yes,
a big
surprise.
one.
It's
leopard.
a common leopard, and
The name is common but very hard to see.
yeah, no common name because it's found in every country.
While
That's why
taking
it's
pictures, my battery was dead.
and you ran and disturbed me, everyone. Why? Burathogi need to control his temper.
Who can control a temper when once a leopard?
So, okay. Thank you, Binod and Yam. This is like perfect goodbye.
Welcome, welcome.
And it's a good evening. So I just want to say one thing. A person who hasn't seen a sambar deer saw a tiger, and a person who hasn't even seen a jungle cat saw a leopard. So that is pretty amazing. So I want to say thank you to Yam and Binod. Thank you guys. Guys, thank you very much. Yam. Until next time.
Welcome.
So we'll go and have some beer.
As your wish.
Okay. So this is Kumal Tal. We are saying goodbye to it now. Okay. This is Leopard Success Party. Cheers.
Cheers.
And no beer for me because I have to ride on the bike till Rampur. So
Padhau driver is not allowed to drink.
this guy didn't tip me. Hi, 50 rupees. Cheers. So I won't be drinking because I have to ride the bike. I'm Mr. Rider for Deepak Burathogi. When I reach to Rampur, I'll drink 1 tube of beer. Okay?
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Successful.
You
trip.
have the stone.
Oh my. Okay, now so we have finished celebrating with beer, and we are heading back to Deepak's friend's place at Ramnagar, and Yam and Binod will head back to Saura. So until next time, bro. We'll see you again.
We will see you again.
Again in
And
next month.
Have a safe drive.
Okay, thank you. Okay, Binod, bye bye.
Safe journey for
Thank you for everything.
See you.
Bye. Okay, we'll go to Ramnagar now. Okay.
Have a safe drive.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye.
Please. Bye.
Namaste.
Namaste.
Jai Nepal.
Jai Nepal.
Okay, so we have reached
Baboy.
Rampur from Tikawali, Saura. Deepak is having pork,
Baboy.
beer, and Dark Sir is enjoying.
Store room है ना?
This is store center.
अन्त यसो मिला भाउजूलाई हाई भन्नु न उहाँको लागि ब्लग बनाउँदैछु
Live हो?
होइन
It was
for
live.
her blog.
Hello Mila, how are you?
We are
Hope you are
enjoying.
fine. Yeah, we are enjoying here.
Yeah.
Not that much, huh? Maybe
नमस्ते
Only little.
we see think that maybe too much the same like Russell Khaima.
के गरेर सर खाइ बाबुले
Russell Khaima is
Memories we have.
one of the
She will know. She will know.
memorable time, okay, right? Russell Khaima.
Okay, now pork, chicken, salad, rum, beer. Yeah, we are enjoying. Cheers. Okay, day 3, last day. We're having dinner. It's almost 10 o'clock. And we're pretty tired. So we'll have dinner and go to sleep. And tomorrow morning, we'll see the weather and head back to Kathmandu. So thank you, last sir, for the dinner. Okay, Deepak? Local. Cool.
Next.
Burathogi is awake. Let's see the weather. If it's clear or no. Good morning. Good morning. Babu yaar na. यहाँ के छ क्यामेरा छ हो. नमस्ते गर. नमस्ते गर. Good morning अब good morning भन न. Good morning. Hi. अब बाहिर. Hi.
Hi गर न.
Thank you. ल अब बाहिर. We'll see the weather. So see the fog. Like maybe you can see around 20 meters. Not more than that. You can see the road conditioning. You can see, can't see anything over there in the road. So we'll probably leave in 1 hour. We'll still wait, but we'll have to wear raincoats because all our jackets and clothes will get wet from the fog. Deepak has to start work at 6 o'clock in the evening, 6 p.m. So we have to reach Kathmandu at least by 2 o'clock. It's not that cold, but the fog is thick for us to drive.
बुवा लाग्यो. Okay, finally the trip is over. We are leaving from Daksa's house. Mr. Wildlife Photographer.
खै कति पुरै छ बढ 3 रुपैयाँ बढ्यो भन्थे
बढेन
3 रुपैयाँ बढ्यो भन्थे बाहिर निकालौँ पहिला
आरामले.
अझै यता राइट राइट सब फगलाई बालेर हिँड्नुपर्छ.
Goodbye to everyone. So Sarkar,
ल सरकार ल बाई बाई सरकार
next
राम्रोसँग
time.
जानु बिस्तारै
See you
जानु.
next time.
See you next time.
You like check? Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Let's go.
Okay. Thanks, sir. Bye bye.
ओके बाई बाई सर बाई बाई.
ल सरकार है.
ओके ल ल बाई ल.
Bye. Okay. Let's go to Kathmandu.
Let's go to Kathmandu. We had a great trip this time.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say, and I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon.
Reached Moglium. That's around almost 45 kilometers from Rampur where we stayed. And we're gonna have samosa tarkari for breakfast. Bragging, he has to have his medicine also. We are going to Pokhara now? No?
Moglin.
Moglin, okay. We arrived at Maleku again for some tea and fish. From here, Kathmandu is, oh my god, why are you disturbing me, man? From here, Kathmandu is 72 kilometers. So we are like halfway now from Chitwan, Rampur. And I'm very tired riding a bike. We'll take a rest, maybe half an hour we'll rest here. What's the time now? Check the time, brother. It's 10:15. We left at 7:50, so that's 8:50, 9:50. 2.5 hour we reach here, around halfway. But that was like pretty straight road. So from here on, it's curvy roads and ups and downs. And then from Nadulas to Kathmandu is Nadulas to Nadulas is all 25 kilometers. It's steep up road, so it will take more time. Mr. Buratoki. You want to take some fish for Mila also?
No, she will not eat this fish.
So this is being recorded. So I already told him to take fish, but he doesn't want to take fish. He take fish from what I get for Pepsi Cola.
Yeah, Pepsi Cola.
Okay. Okay, our lemon tea is here. Lunch has arrived. We are eating fish, and Deepak Buratoki is going to eat the fish like a cormorant. Our lunch has arrived. We are eating fish again at Maleku, and Mr. Deepak Buratoki is going to eat the fish like a great cormorant.
Yeah, like cormorant or darter, you have to toss.
Or darter you have to toss. Okay.
Cormorant.
Cormorant, whole fish at one time. Okay. If he swallowed the whole fish.
You cannot leave the head and tail.
We'll see about
You have
that.
to eat like cormorant.
Cormorant. Okay. We are at Naubise and Kalanki. Now it's 25 kilometers from here, but all up and steep road and traffic jam from here. No straight road, only round and round and round till and up till Kalanki. Mr. Buratoki is going to have a juice. Where is your daru?
That is there.
Daru is there. When you go to Godara, you'll have daru, no? Okay, 25 more kilometers, but maybe it'll take 1.5 hours till Kalanki.
1 hour maybe.
Maybe more than 1 hour
It's up
till
hill,
Kalanki. Yeah, all of it. Okay, I'll also have my juice. Have a rest 10 minutes, then we'll go, okay?
Okay. Time is 12:20. We are about to reach Kathmandu Valley now. We are about to enter Kathmandu Valley.
Yeah, trip is almost complete. So here we are now, Dunga checkpost. We have now, we are entering Kathmandu Valley. The police will check us.
Pick up for the bike.
Huh?
Alright, huh?
Kathmandu Valley. So this is Kathmandu.
Finally we reached Kathmandu.
Finally home.
Cheers!
Yes. So we arrived at Kalanki after riding I think 150 kilometers I think from Ramnagar.
We
till
didn't
here.
ride, we fly.
Yes, and it's around 12:50. So we left there at 7:50, including the breaks. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or it took us around 5 hours to get here. And Mr. Buratoki is going to celebrate.
Not celebrate. No more
No
celebrations.
celebration. Okay.
Only momo.
Okay, so I'm almost outside my house now, but Deepak has to go another 18 kilometers.
Yeah. I will take a taxi now.
Take a taxi, okay. So let's have some refreshment, rest for 15-20 minutes, and then we'll go home. Okay, so Deepak is going home now. We'll be Kalanki. So we'll go to home, and this is goodbye for me. Bye bye. So until next time, see you next Leopard.
See you. Alright.
Yeah, thank you.
It's all the same, highs and lows, highs and lows.